To our channel Food and Happiness. Today let's prepare a very easy and delicious dessert. This is bread malai dessert. This sweet recipe is very easy to make and this can be prepared with very few ingredients. Anyone can prepare this easy dessert. Do try this dessert during this festival season and enjoy with your family. First, let's boil 2 cups of milk. Scrape the cream from the edges and stir the milk. Continue this step till the milk turns slightly thick and reduces in quantity. After boiling for 5 minutes, add 1/3 cup of sugar. Mix well till the sugar is dissolved completely. Now let's add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped nuts. I am adding chopped badam and pista. This gives a nutty flavor. Mix it well. Now let's take 1/4 cup of milk. To this let's add 2 teaspoons of custard powder. Mix well so that there are no lumps. Now let's add this custard milk to the boiled milk. Mix well so that there are no lumps. Cook it for about 5 minutes on low flame. The custard will be cooked well and will become slightly thick. Allow this to cool down completely. You can even keep it in refrigerator once it cools down slightly. Now let's take 6 bread pieces. Cut all the edges. The bread in 4 triangles as shown. Now let's take some fresh milk malai in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of milk powder. Mix it well so that there are no lumps. The malai spread is ready now. Let's take 1 bread slice. Spread some malai. Cover it with another slice of bread. We can prepare 12 sandwiches like this. To this remaining sweet malai, let's add 2 tablespoons of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix it well. Now let's dip the bread malai sandwich in sweetened milk and keep it on a plate. Do not soak for long time, otherwise the bread will absorb more milk and it will become difficult to hold. Now let's pour the cooled custard milk on the bread sandwiches. So as you can see, this dessert recipe is very easy to make and comes out very delicious. Festivals are around the corner, so anyone can try this easy bread malai recipe and you can enjoy with your family and friends. You can prepare this easy sweet recipe on Raksha Bandhan or Krishnashtami. It's very easy and with very few ingredients. Do try the recipe and let us know your comments. Garnish it with chopped dry fruits. Sprinkle some sugar powder. And the easy bread malai dessert is ready to eat now. Hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. What is your favorite dessert? Please share a comment in the comment box below. Thank you for watching. See you next week with another delicious recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.